In this video, I will show you how you can create an Outlook account. And that's basically an email. First, what you need to do is you need to go into a new tab and you're going to search for outlook.com. Outlook.com, just like that. Then you're going to come to this website, the Microsoft official website. From in here, you're going to click on sign in the top right corner. Now, once you're here, you can log into your account, but that's not what we're going to do because we need to create a new one. So click on create one. Perfect. Get a new. Here, you can type in, I already had one saved, but you can type in your email. It can be anything. Let's just test 040404 at Outlook or Hotmail. I just used the Hotmail. Next. Okay, it's already taken. Just like that. Then you're gonna create a password. I'm just gonna type in something random. Next. Your name. Next. Then you choose your birthday and your country. Next. Then there should come a CAPTCHA here that you need to solve. This is quite easy. Now once this is done, let it load a little bit. Once this is done loading, you will, okay, looks like we have another one. Submit. Let's see. Let it load for a little bit. And now you will have your account. As you can see, it's gonna log in here. You're gonna be logged into your account. You can get your emails, everything from in here, and you have your account up here. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching.